In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI Vibe and Monday.com to turn your ideas into fully structured workflows and apps in just a few clicks. If you've been looking for a faster way to build boards, automate processes, or organize projects using AI, this is going to be a game changer for you. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can start using AI Vibe confidently, even if you're completely new to it. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to Monday.com and log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu bar. This is where you'll find all your main navigation options, like boards, dashboards, and workspaces. From that left menu, click on Vibe. This is Monday.com's AI-powered workspace builder that helps you generate apps and workflows based on simple prompts. When you click on Vibe, it will open the AI Vibe interface. This is where the magic happens. Instead of manually creating columns, groups, automations, and integrations one by one, you can simply describe what you want to build. Think of it like chatting with an AI assistant that understands project management. Now let's move on to building your idea with Vibe. In the main prompt box, you'll see a space where you can type your instructions. This is where you want to be as detailed as possible. For example, instead of typing something vague like create a project board, try something more specific like create a marketing campaign tracker with columns for campaign name, budget, status, due date, owner, and performance metrics. Add automation to notify the owner when the status changes to completed. The more context you provide, the better the AI can structure your board. AI Vibe analyzes your prompt and automatically creates the framework for you. It can generate boards, set up relevant columns, suggest statuses, and even configure automations depending on your request. This saves a massive amount of setup time, especially if you regularly build similar workflows. Another powerful feature here is the ability to upload files or connect existing boards. Below the prompt area, you'll see options that allow you to attach files. For example, if you already have a project brief, a spreadsheet, or documentation outlining your process, you can upload it. AI Vibe will use that information as context to build something more accurate and tailored to your needs. You can also connect existing boards from your Monday.com account. This is extremely useful if you want your new AI-generated app to pull data from current workflows. By linking boards, you ensure that everything stays connected and synchronized instead of creating isolated systems. Once you've written your detailed prompt, uploaded any relevant files, and connected the necessary boards, the next step is simple. Go ahead and click the Build It button. When you click Build It, AI Vibe will process your request. In just a few moments, it will generate a structured app or board based on your instructions. You'll be able to review the layout, check the columns, see the suggested automations, and explore the workflow it created. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Even though AI Vibe is powerful, you can still customize the results. You can rename columns, adjust statuses, modify automations, or add additional integrations. Think of AI Vibe as your starting point that gets you 80 to 90% of the way there in seconds. If something isn't exactly how you imagined, you can refine your prompt and generate again, or manually tweak the board after it's built. The goal here is speed and efficiency, not perfection on the first try. AI Vibe is especially useful for teams that frequently launch new projects, client workflows, onboarding systems, content calendars, or internal tracking tools. Instead of rebuilding structures from scratch every time, you simply describe what you need and let AI handle the heavy lifting. And that's it. That's how you use AI Vibe in Monday.com to quickly turn your ideas into functional, organized workflows. Start by going to Monday.com, select Vibe from the left menu, describe your idea in detail, optionally upload files or connect boards, and then click Build It to generate your app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips, AI tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.